Hi, my name is Kim Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. A lot of people don't realize that there are certain elements that have to be proven in every legal case in order for the legal case to be successful. In a personal injury case, there are typically 3 legal elements that have to be satisfied before you can turn a case into a successful case, or a potential claim into a claim where compensation happens. At the most basic level, in order to have a successful personal injury case, a plaintiff has to prove 3 basic elements. And the first one is negligence. So the plaintiff has to prove that the person who they're accusing of being at fault was negligent in some way. And I've just recently shot a video that goes more in depth into negligence, but essentially negligence is a failure to use reasonable care under whatever the circumstances are. The second element is causation. So the plaintiff would have to prove that the negligence caused whatever damages the person is claiming to have. And causation is sometimes a sticky issue, because if a person has pre-existing injuries, or if there are other things going on at the time of an accident that might have caused the injuries other than what the target defendant did, then that can be sometimes a sticky situation. So causation is usually an issue that we spend a lot of time and energy and effort on in a personal injury case. And then the last element is damages. So you have to prove that whatever the negligence was that caused an injury of some kind, it caused actual damages. So in our cases, they're typically medical bills, both past and future, lost wages, both past and future, and then pain and suffering, both past and future. And sometimes you can come up with other types of damages as well. If maybe you run a business and the business isn't doing well, or whatever. So, but you have to prove damages. Sometimes we have people call us and they've been the victims of negligence and something bad has happened to them, but they haven't been hurt. Or they were very slightly hurt, or hurt for just a very short period of time, and now they're all well again. And in those types of cases, you know, that's the one element, the damages, is missing. So that's not a success. That's not a formula for a successful personal injury case. So if you have any questions about what makes a successful personal injury case, please call me or my law partner, Robert Hemphill, at 407-254-4901, or you can always text us at 407-644-4444.